How to use Newegg Build Your PC tool. Well, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. To use Newegg Build Your PC tool, you can open up the Newegg application and make sure that you have logged into your account. Here now, right at the home page, make sure you're on the home tab. From the list of options at the top, if you do not find it on your screen, swipe towards the left or the right and you'll find PC Builder option. So you want to tap on PC Builder and this prompt will open up this page. Now here, whether you want to build your PC yourself or you can build with AI, so you can choose one particular option. You can also use build with AI or you can choose build your PC. So I'll select build your PC option now for now. Then you can proceed to select new list. So now which CPU you want to select. Tap on CPU and select the CPU that you like to purchase. You'll be able to see price and such. Select according to your price, budget and your want. So once you have selected, you want to select motherboard, then you can again tap on memory and then proceed to add in memory. All you got to do is head into it and then tap on the plus icon beside the particular item. Now you do not want to add it directly and head into your cart, so that'll be confusing. So you want to tap on the plus icon beside the item that you're going to purchase, beside the particular product that you need for your PC, and this way you can proceed to select everything that you want. If you want to skip something, you can skip that as well. So for example, you don't want headphones or microphones, then you can skip that part and then you'll be able to see everything total down below. You can tap on add all to cart at once and then proceed to purchase it from your cart. Hope this video was helpful. Till I can subscribe.